Alright folks, so we're gonna do High Knob to South High Knob and go right into town. It turns into Tennessee Avenue or something like that. But yeah, that's where we're going. West High Knob to South High Knob. I forgot to put the west on there. Here we go, folks. Now, I don't know what all they're doing here, but they will eventually do something all around here. And they put in a campground over here. They may extend it over this way. We will see. Oh, folks, we are in Lafollette, Tennessee on West High Knob Road. And the leaves are falling. And although I'm somewhat looking forward to winter, we have such a beautiful fall that I don't know why anybody would want winter. We've got a beautiful fall, folks. And it has been beautiful here. The weather has been just unbeatable. I don't see how you could get any better weather anywhere. Not with what we've had here of late. It has been wonderful. West High Knob Road. Now this is the first cloudy day we've had in a while. We had a cloudy day last week, maybe this past weekend. It's Saturday. We had a cloudy day a week or so ago, and they got something going on over here to the left. Probably a wedding. It is beautiful here, folks. Beautiful right here. Oh yeah, they got a wedding going on here. Forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, so 2 weeks we've had 2 cloudy days. That's how it's been. Now we got just a brief little couple of raindrops, and it's supposed to rain a little bit tomorrow. Chance of rain. Isn't it beautiful, folks? So we're coming up, and we're going to take a left on South High Knob Road, and that'll take us into town. Now, I'm planning on making videos of me driving around basically Campbell County, Lafollette, Jacksboro, Caryville, and yeah, and it's basically for those folks who used to live here, and yeah, want to see what's going on. We're on South High Knob Road. Now, we could have took a right, and that's South High Knob, which would have brought us out at Demory. This takes you to like Claiborne. It does something funny right there at Claiborne. But this will take you on into town to Tennessee Avenue. Now this is a designated road for ATVs, if I'm not mistaken. So you can go all the way from White Bridge, Lonis Young Park, all the way to the trails. That's the ATV trails, folks. Look at the beauty. Oh, so beautiful. This is definitely a nice road. Ooh, I see a groundhog. Went up under that white car right there. The Trans Am or whatever it is. The lake is dropping. They drain the lake, not completely, but they do drain it. Let's see. It's not down there fishing. putting up a new house there on the left. Is that new? No, it's not new. All right, not sure what to do here. We're going to stay straight. I believe if we go left, it comes right back out on this road. And yeah, so whatever. Beautiful, folks. Nice houses back in through here. Very nice road. Yeah, see the little ATV route sign? Yeah, I just don't know what happened. I don't know what I did. We'll tell about it in the description, or the title of the video will tell it all. Very nice. That is a nice house on the left, a rock house. Very nice. Linden. Okay, now this is where we were the other day. I did a video from here down. So we're going to pause it, and I'm going to jump over on Cumberland, and that'll turn into Long Hollow, and maybe we'll have enough time for it to turn into Sugar Hollow. All right, folks. So High Knob turns into Tennessee. That's where we're at right now. And we're going to pause it and jump over on Cumberland, which will turn into Long Hollow Road. How about it? Huh? Hang on. I don't want the video to be this short. So, all right, folks, we are on Cumberland. This will turn into Long Hollow, I do believe. And I've only lived here like a year and a half. I own land here for 30 years. But we've been back and forth for 30 years, but it's only a year and a half that we've actually been here full time. So we live here now. This is our home, but I still don't know the roads, at least like a local. We are in town, folks. We are in the town of Lafollette. We're still in the city limits. So we'll let this go to about 22 minutes, something like that. All right, folks. Long Hollow Road. So I know a fellow that lives right here. That's a junkyard right there. I mean, literally. Huh. Deerfield, 8 miles. So just to make the title short, I might title this Lafollette, Tennessee, High Knob Road, because it's both high knobs. High Knob Roads, that's what I'll do. High Knob Roads and Long Hollow. How about that, folks? That'll make you happy. Long Hollow basically turns into Sugar Hollow. And that Sugar Hollow goes to Demory Road. So I'm going to try to put out a video of me driving in Campbell County, especially in Lafollette. At least one video a week. I'm going to do my best. I've already put up 2 or 3 this week. We actually own a house back in here off Ivy Hollow Road. Actually need to go check on it. We will not be doing that today though, folks. That must be Cedar Creek there on the left. Cedar Creek Road. I don't know. This is a curvy road. This will bring us, I do believe this will bring us out at Demory Mart, right there at Demory Road. I might be driving just a little fast for you, but gotta get that. Got to get in as much a mile as, got to get as many miles as I can in a short time. Where are we at? 15 minutes. There's no hound dog. Things are definitely changing around here. I'm telling you, 30 years ago, when I first started coming around here, man, it has changed drastically. And a lot of that is for the better. Some of it isn't, but a lot of it is. And a lot of folks moving from other places, retiring here. And a lot of them folks have been coming around here for decades, vacationing, you know, in the summer, and there are times when they're off of work and then they just retire here. It's brought money here, and that's a good thing. It's brought business here, and that's a good thing. That's for sure. We are from Georgia, and we bought property here about 30 years ago, somewhere around there. And yeah, I had planned on moving here for decades, folks. Finally got here at 59 years old. I actually got here when I was 58. And yeah, we love it here. We don't want to live anywhere else. This is our home. And I go back to Georgia now, and it's only been a year and a half or so, not quite a year and a half. I go back to Georgia, and it's just not my home. This is my home. Man, I'm going to try to make it to Demory Mart. Demory Mart has been around for a long time. It closed down for a little bit, and then they opened it back up. And it's a good thing, folks, because I sure would have put a store up right on Demory Road. Yep. It is pretty back in here. Done some videos today, folks. This weekend has been a video weekend. I did 3. This is my 3rd video of the day in long videos. All right, here's Demory Mart, folks. We are at Demory Road. Demory Mart is an awesome store. You should check it out if you haven't already. Man, they serve food. It's just awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-wheelers sitting there. That's how it is around here. Folks driving up to the stove. All right, folks, we're gonna run this close to 22 minutes. Might as well. We're on Demory Road, headed back in towards town. We are in Lafollette area, folks. This is back in the Demory community. Folks, we went on West High Knob Road. We were actually on this road, way on down, on Demory Road. And this is Baker's Forge Cemetery. And I do believe I might be buried there, folks. If I can't get them to let them bury me on my property, designate a spot for a little graveyard, I will come here if I can. So we started out on Demory Road and jumped on West High Knob to South High Knob, which turns into Tennessee Avenue, and then we paused it and zigzagged over to Cumberland, and Cumberland turns into Long Hollow, which basically turns into Sugar Hollow if you go straight, and ended up right here. So yeah, we'll see how I title that one. Ain't it beautiful, folks? Huh? Now, I wouldn't mind living out here, but it just takes a while to get to the store and stuff. You're back in here. There's one way out, basically. There's two ways out, but one's way longer than the other. Folks, it is 6:09. I am going home and I am going to eat. All right, folks, I believe that's going to be it. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Cows are out of the fence. Oh my goodness, not a good road for that. Folks, in the summertime, this road it's busy all the time, but in the summer, it is super busy. Anyway, folks, we will see you.